and trainees. So before I start our discussion, please stand and feel the presence of the Lord. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. The kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, forgive us trespasses as we give those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom and the power of the glory forever and ever. Amen. So I'm Christine Villamer, your trainee in food service, food processing in C3 qualification. So I have here a data gathering sheet for you to determine your characteristic as well as your background knowledge and qualifications. Kindly get one in pass. I will only give you 10 minutes to answer the... Okay, done. Thank you. So, according to your response, it seems that Miss Casey Tia has relevant experience in this process, producing food processing in city. Good to know, Miss Intia. So now, let us start on proper orientation of food processing in C3. Food processing in C3 qualification. The food processing in C3 qualification consists of competencies that a person must achieve to perform initial food preparation, operate processing and packaging equipment, receive in store stock, and work with food in storage. Competency-based training. It is a training delivery approach that focuses on the competency development of the learner as a result of the training. Emphasize most on what the learner can actually do. Focuses on outcomes rather than the learning process within specified time. It is concerned with the attainment and application of knowledge, skills, and attitude to a specific level of competencies. Competency involve applying knowledge, skills, and attitude to perform work activities to the standard expected in the workplace. Competencies are gained through life experience, formal education, apprenticeship, on-the-job experience, self-help programs, training, and developing. So, we have 10 principles of CBT. Number 1, the training is based on the curriculum developed from the competency standards. Learning is based on the competency-based curriculum learning structure. Number 2, learning is modular in structure. Generally, one competency is one module, but some competencies may be divided into different training modules. Number 3, training delivery is individualized and self-paced. Learning is done by the learner at his own pace. Number 4, training is based on work that must be performed. Learning is based on the actual industry practice. Number 5, training materials and directly related to the competency standard and the curriculum, CS, CBC, LMs. Number 6, assessment of learners is based in the collection of evidences of work performance based on industry or organizational required standard. Traditional students are judged against each other. Norm reference assessment. CBT-BET. Each student is assessed against the evidence based on standard. The number 7, training is based on and off the job components and of the job components. better learning with industry and school partnership. Number 8, the system allows recognition of prior learning or RPL. Workers and students can have prior skills recognized. The number 9, the system allows for learners to enter and exit programs of different times and levels and to receive awards for competencies attained at any point. There is flexibility for entry and exit from programs. The last, approved training programs are nationally accredited. Training programs are registered within UTPRAS. So the next, the role of the trainer. Number 1, serve as team member to determine what is to be learned. Stimulate trainees' motivation, manage learning, diagnose and solve learning problems, evaluate student achievement, assist learning to obtain individualized reward, assist each trainee in designing a personalized plan of study, installs confidence in the learner, serve as a model for desirable work habits, attitudes, and task performance in the occupational field. Number 10, spend more time interacting with students on the one or small group basis. 11, help those students who really need help. 12, accepts responsibility along with the student for the task learned or not learned. Next, the rule of the trainee. In CBT, trainees have the following rules. Number 1, trainee may select what they want to learn and when they want to learn it within reason. Number 2, trainee learn at their own rate within program guidelines. Number 3, trainee may request credit for what they already know. Number 4, trainees are responsible for what they learn and when they learn it. Trainees may choose how to learn individually. Number 6, trainee decided when they are ready to perform each task or demonstrate mastery of learning to job-like level of proficiency before receiving credit for the task. The last, trainees help develop personalized prescription for learning, work out cooperatively and based upon what the students already knows. His preference for learning styles, and other needs. Food processing and C3. Basic competencies. Lead workplace communication, lead small teams, develop and practice negotiation skills, solve workplace problems related to work activities, use relevant technologies. The common competencies. Apply food safety and sanitation, use standard measuring devices, instrument, use food processing tools, equipment, and utensils, perform mathematical computation, implement good manufacturing practice procedure, implement environmental policies and procedures. The next, core competencies. Receive and store stock, control and other stock, apply product knowledge to complete work operations, perform basic tests and raw materials and process and finish product, operate a boiler, operate pumping equipment, operate and monitor food processes and equipment, operate a packaging process, work in a freezer storage area, work with temperature controlled stock, handle dangerous goods, hazardous substances. That's all. Thank you.